Hola, buenos días, padres. Esta es la tarea de hoy. Esta hoja contiene dos lados y vamos a empezar con la más fácil, que es reconocer la numeración. A siguiente continuaré en inglés. So, don't forget to put your first and last name. Understanding place value. Show how many on each row of stickers. Circle the matching number. Well, let's read. 4 hundredths, 2 tens, 7 ones. Well, I have 4 hundredths, 2 tens, 7 ones. Which number matches? We circle. Next one, we have 8 hundredths, 1 10, 6 ones. Which number matches? 816 or 861? Well, let's see. 8 and 8. 8 and 8. Let's check the next numbers. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. Let's check the other one. 8, 1. Oh, that's a 6. We circle 816. The next ones. 6 hundredths, 0 tens, 9 ones. Okay? As I'm reading it to you, you can put it off on the side. 7 hundredths, 1 10, 0 ones. Next one, 5 hundredths, 6 tens, 6 ones. Next one, 100, 9 tens, 2 ones. The last two, 3 hundredths, 4 tens, 0 ones. Now let's try this one because it's a hard one. So I have 9 hundredths, 5 tens, and 3 ones. They both start with 9, but then my following number needs to be a 5. Nope, that one doesn't match. Yep, this one does. 953. Okay. Now, the back one is a little bit more complicated, so we have to pay attention. It says, write the value of each digit. Fill in the missing numbers. Well, what we're going to do is do our chart. We're going to put our ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so 9, I have 9 hundredths. If I have 9 hundredths, let's see, 1, 2. Those are my hundreds. If I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So that's 9 hundredths. That's 900. How many tens? 2. 2 tens makes 20. How many ones? 0. So my number is 920. Next one, we're going to do the same thing. Ones, tens, hundreds. Have 600. It's already here, but I'm missing one here. 4 tens. If I have 4 tens, how much is that? 10, 20, 30, 40. How many ones? I have 7. If you need to draw, you can draw. Okay, if you just need the hundreds, tens, and ones chart, that's fine. So I have how many hundreds? 6. How many tens? 4. How many ones? 7. Okay, so if you need to, ones, tens, hundreds. This one's missing the hundreds. It's only has 1, so I need to draw 100. How many do I have? 100. How many tens? 30. How many ones? 3. We have 100, 3 tens, 3 ones. Next one. Ones, tens, hundreds. 8. How many hundreds? So I'm going to draw my hundreds, and I need 8 of them. Now if I start counting, it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. How many tens? I have 70. But if I do my 7 tens, let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many? 70. Very good. Now finish the blanks. Okay. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Si necesitan que repasar, regresar, lo pueden hacer en este video. Por favor, que no se les olvide su nombre. Gracias.